Assalamualaikum. Hello friends. This time I want to share a simple recipe that is suitable for breakfast. Now I will show you how to make fluffy moist scrambled eggs. The ingredients are 4 large eggs, 2 teaspoons whole milk, salt and pepper, crumbled cheese, and margarine. We also need whisk, bowl, spatula, and skillet. Instructions: first, put the eggs in a bowl. The second, put the milk, salt, and pepper in a bowl. And then beat the eggs with a whisk. Beat the eggs until evenly distributed. Turn on the stove over medium heat. And melt the margarine. If the margarine has melted, put the eggs in the skillet. Then those scrambled eggs. If the eggs are half cooked, sprinkle with scrambled cheese. If the eggs are cooked, put the eggs in a plate. And breakfast is ready to eat. I hope this recipe helps for you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.